Daddy. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Let's do Mommy. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Now Brother finger. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Now, sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, now, baby finger. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Very good, boys and girls. We got daddy finger, mommy, brother, sister, and baby. Yay! Good job, boys and girls! Thank you, boys and girls, for singing the song with me. That was so much fun! Yay! Well, for mommies and daddies, please like our video and subscribe to the channel so you get our latest English song videos. Also, please follow us on Facebook so you can leave comments and requests for new English songs videos or other types of videos. Finally, you can also check out our English courses and online courses that we have from our Facebook page. For more information, check our link in the description below. Well, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. See you, boys and girls. Bye!